Hello everyone. This is R. Sasikumar, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from RMDEC Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about page replacement algorithm in operating system. So before move on to that algorithm, we should know that what is called a page replacement. Page replacement is an operating system refers to the process of swapping of pages of memory between RAM and the disk controller. Right. So it is an algorithm. This algorithm which is used to process the swapping pages of memory between RAM and the disk controller. So if the main memory is fill means what we have to replace that main memory. So with the help of any one algorithm, we can replace the container of main memory into disk controller. So there is a swapping between main memory and the disk controller. There is a primary storage and secondary storage. That is called what page replacement. When the physical memory is full and new page needs to be loaded. So when it will happen means what whenever the physical memory is full, then we have to apply the page replacement algorithm. So where should we get the content means what? We should take the content from the secondary storage and that content will be stored into main memory. But already the main memory is full. So we have to apply the any one page replacement algorithm. So why page replacement happens means what? When a program accesses a page that is not currently in memory. So what is that? Whenever the CPU accesses the page, but that is not currently available in memory now, that is called what? A page fault. Suppose whenever the CPU accesses a page that is available in current memory now, that is called what? A hit. So if the memory already full, then the operating system need to free up space by selecting page to remove from memory. So which one will be removed? So that's why we go for page replacement algorithm. So the selected page is returned back to disk and the required page is loaded into the new free frame. So that is called what? Page replacement algorithm. So the important concept of page replacement algorithm is what? Page, frame, page fault. So what is called page means what? A fixed length block of virtual memory. That is called what? Page. What is called frame means what? A fixed length block of physical memory. And what is called page fault means what? It happens when a program tries to access a page but not available in physical memory. That is called what? Page fault. And what is called a hit means what? When a program tries to access a page and it is available in physical memory, that is called what? A hit. So the common page replacement algorithm is what? First in, first out. LRU, least recently used, optimal, and so on. So for this presentation today, we are going to see about first in, first out page replacement algorithm. So here I have given one example. So the reference string, totally I have given, I think, 5, 10, 15, 20 reference strings I have given. And whatever the frame size means what I already told you know that key concept of page replacement algorithm frame. So what is called a frame means what? A fixed length block of physical memory. So with respect to this example, the page frame size is what? 3 frame. So 3 pages can be in memory at a time per process. Once the page frame is full now, then we have to apply the algorithm. So now we will see this algorithm explanation for this algorithm. So initially the page frame is empty. Whatever the page frame size is what? 3. So 3 locations, we can store 3 pages and once it is stored now, the 4th pages will be stored either page, if it is page fault now, then we have to apply the replacement algorithm. This algorithm is called what? A first in, first out. Which one will be inserted first? That will be removed first. So that is called what? A first in, first out algorithm. So initially the page number reference string is 7. So 7 is what? 7 is not available. So the page fault is occur and the page fault is occur and so we can store, right? We can store in the memory also. And the next one is what? 0. 0 is also not available in that page frame. So we can store that 0 and 1. So that is also not available in that main memory. So we can store that 1 also. And this is what? 7. Then 7, 0 will be inserted next. Then 1 will be inserted next. So 3 times here, the page fault is what? Page fault is 1. then 2, 3. So for 3 page fault. Then the next string is what? 2. 2 is not available in the page frame, but already the page frame size is full. So we have to apply the algorithm. Here the algorithm name is called what? First in, first out. So which one will be removed first now? Which one will be inserted first? 7 will be inserted first. Then next 0 will be inserted. Then 1 will be inserted. So instead of 7, you can place 2. So this is also another page fault. So far there are 4 page faults occur. The next thing is what? 0. 0 is already available. This is called what? A hit. So no need to refer. And the next one is what? 3. So 3 is not available. So instead of 1, we can remove one string from that page frame. So already what? 7 removed. The next, which one is inserted first? 0 will be inserted. So the 3, instead of 0, 3 will be replaced. So 2, 3, 1. So this is also page fault. And now the page fault is 5. And the next string is 0. But that is not available in that page frame. So page fault again occur. We have to replace any one string from that page frame. So which one will be removed means what? Already 7 removed, 0 removed. Then the next one is what? 1 removed. So instead of 1, you can place 0. The next 4. So the page frame is full. So we have to replace any one string. So the 2 is inserted first. Then instead of 2, you can place 4. The next one is 2. 2 is not available. So we have to replace any one string. The 3 is inserted next. So the instead of 3, you can place 2. So this is also a page fault. Then again 3. 3 is not available in the page frame. So page fault occur. So which one will be removed means what? 2, 3, again 0 will be removed. So instead of 0, you can place 3 also. And again 0 referred, 0 is not available. Then which one will be removed means what? First in, first out. So 4, 2, 3. So 4 will be removed. So instead of 4, you can place 0. So far everything is called what? A page fault. So far how many page fault? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far 10 page fault occur. So far one hit occur. The next string is what? 3. 3 is already available. So hit occur. And the next string is 2. 2 is already available. So hit occur. And the next string is what? 1. So which one will be removed? Already 4 removed. So now instead of 2, you can remove 1. Instead of 2, you can place 1. So 0, 1, 3. This is also a page fault. And 2 is not available. Instead of 3, you can replace 2. So page fault occur. 0 already available, hit occur. So 1 already available, so hit occur. Then 7 in 0, 1, 2. So 0 will be removed. 7, 1, 2. Then again 0 not available. So 1 will be removed. 7, 0, 2. And 1 it is not available. So 2 will be removed. So 7, 0, 1. So this is the way to replace the algorithm. So how many page fault total means what? 15 page fault occur. Okay, and how many page hit is occur means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hit is occur. So total number of string is what? 20. Yeah. So hit is what? The hit ratio is what? 5 divided by 20. Okay, so that is a way to find out the hit ratio. So 5 divided by 20 means what? What is the percentage? 0.25% hit ratio. Okay. And what about that page fault means what? 15 divided by 20. So 0.75 percentage. So this is the way to find out. So 75 percentage page fault occur. And page hit is what? 5 divided by 20. So 25 percentage. So 75 percentage page fault occur and 25 percentage page hit is occur. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.